shed happens. Ditch the clutter and dominate backyard storage with the Lifetime 6402 Beast Box. Ever feel like your backyard is a disaster zone? Tools scattered, bikes falling over, and your gardening gear is always MIA when you need it. It's not that you're messy, it's that you're stuck without the right storage solution. Without a solid shed, your outdoor space is more chaos than calm. Whether it's a lawnmower, kayak, or some forgotten garden tool, everything becomes a game of hide and seek with your sanity. The lack of organization eats away at your weekends, making even simple tasks feel like monumental challenges. Your dreams of a neat, functional yard? They're on hold until you solve this storage mess. Now, let's crank up that frustration. Every time a storm rolls in, your outdoor gear takes a beating. Tools get rusty, bikes fall apart, and your precious garden tools disappear faster than you can say organization. The list of problems just keeps growing: clutter everywhere, weather damage, tools you'll never find in time. And here's the kicker: when you're running out of time, trying to juggle work and life, that sense of "I'll get to it later" just adds more stress. The disorganization starts to drain your energy, and you're left scrambling, fighting the same battle every single day. It's exhausting, honestly. Enter the Lifetime 6402 Outdoor Storage Shed, your ultimate storage game-changer. With a sturdy, high-density polyethylene, HDPE, construction, steel reinforcements, and UV protection, this shed is built for the long haul. The shed boasts spacious 621 cubic feet of storage space, perfect for keeping everything from mowers to kayaks safe and organized. It's not just practical, it's sleek and stylish, with 5 skylights and 2 functional shatter-proof windows to keep things bright and airy. Add in the steel-reinforced double doors and heavy-duty lockable system, and your outdoor gear is safer than ever. Forget rust, forget mess, this is the shed you've been waiting for. Ready to see the magic happen? With the Lifetime 6402, it's all about instant results. No more scrambling to find your rake or constantly fixing bikes that got soaked in a storm. This shed's high-pitched roof ensures rain drains fast, while its customizable shelving system makes storing smaller items a breeze. The slip-resistant HDPE floor means no more tracking mud into your shed, and the steel-reinforced walls keep your tools safe from all sorts of mayhem. The Lifetime 6402 doesn't just help you organize, it brings peace of mind, making your backyard more productive and less stressful from the get-go. Time to take action. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. The Lifetime 6402 Outdoor Storage Shed is your answer to a clutter-free, organized, and stress-free yard. It's tough, durable, and designed to withstand the elements, while keeping your tools safe and secure. With a 10-year limited warranty, it's built to last. So why wait? Don't let disorganization rule your yard any longer. Act now, and transform your outdoor space into a well-organized paradise. Your weekends are too valuable to waste. Get the shed that works as hard as you do and say goodbye to the mess for good.